Hi everyone, I'm Alexi. So now we're going to see how to connect database with PHP. So in this PHP we're going to use OOP PHP. Here we will need two things. The first one is XAMPP. So let's see XAMPP. I'm going to open XAMPP for running MySQL server. So then after that we will use Sublime for as a text editors. So here text editors is used for writing the code as usual. So let's see. Yes, the XAMPP is here. So we have to start Apache and MySQL. You know that Apache help us to get interface through browser, and this MySQL is there for helping us to learn databases. So another thing we'll need here, as I told you, it is Sublime. Let's search Sublime. Let's test this one. So let's start for database creation. Let's see in a command prompt by cmd. So then I'll put this one. So let's see, let's go in swdxampp, swdbin, swdmysql, swdbin, mysql user here. The user is root, then password. Here there is no password. If you have password, you can come and print it here. And then what you have to do now is to see whether, sorry, I don't know what happened. So MySQL up, so let's use this one as u. Okay, then password. Okay, after that, after getting MariaDB, Maria database, well, the next step is to create databases. Let me create databases called let me call it DB user by using SQL command. Create database DB user like this one, then press enter. So you see now the query okay, then one row affected. So let's see whether my database is in here by writing describe show by using show databases. Okay, then you see DB user now is added. So let's go in Sublime to write the codes. The first thing you have to know, you have to save this code in htdocs, not in Sublime. You have to come in local disk C, then choose XAMPP in htdoc files. So you see here I have different files, so I can create a folder. Like for example, I can create a folder called tutorial. Let me call it tutorial like this one. So then after that I can open the folder, then I'm going to write connect.php. then after saving, the next step is to create a PHP for in order to connect PHP, then PHP. Another thing is to close PHP before. Okay, then now what you are going to do now is to declare variables. So let's start by try. Have to use try and catch. So here let me start by declaring variable this database is database equal, let's create an object new PDO like this one, then put parentheses MySQL database is localhost, localhost. Then MySQL is localhost. Now another thing is database name, DB name. Database name is, so remember that I've called it user. So let me pass here to see my databases. In order to remember that in order to run here in the browsers, we helped by Apache server. So here DB users, this one we are going to use this one. Then the next one is DB user. Okay, after that the next step is this one. Okay, DB user, then use a single like this one and this one, then after you have comma, then here I'm going to set the user of my databases. So here the user is root. Then next another one is password. So here for me my password is empty. If you have password you can put it. So then another thing is comma. Then after, if this is database is well connected, what you have to see is echo string database connected successfully. Then after this one, let's catch. Use try, as you see, have used the tree, this try and catch. Then the next is catch exception. Catch PDO exception. So remember that we are using PDO exception. PDO exception is by the current variable SX. Here are all the black braces, then SE. Okay, then let's use this Ella. Then we are going to see, then concatenate this one LS $sign, this one, this X. Okay, I can copy this one, no problem. So this one like this one, then get message like this one. Okay, like this. So now the next step is to learn, and we see whether our program is learning correctly. So let me come here in the browser. Can use this browser, no problem. Localhost, let me use this one, localhost tutorial as my folder. It's called tutorial. Then connect.php. Okay, you see that I have unexpected this one or no. line 7. Let's see the errors there. This one, okay, this try, have to write the try. Okay, then let's see whether the error is then you see that the database is connected successfully. So let's see the database connected is successful. So let's provide our message: database connected successfully. Base connected successfully. Okay, you can use this one, or okay, then let's see our message. Let's see our message. Yes, database connected successfully. So you see now our database is now connected. So if there is a problem, it can be worked. For example, let me direct this one in order to see whether they will give me errors. So if when I run, you see that I have catch an account double exception. When you see this one, you may come and see whether you are well writing. You see here the user is root, and if I collect them, it can work correctly now. So let's see. You see that in my message is that the database connected is successful. So thank you for watching this video, this tutorial.